Maintenance Control, McLean.
Hey, this is Tim Jones, the out-based mechanic in Honolulu. I have a 767 on a gate showing a first officer's window heat annunciator. Not sure where to go to test it. I looked in the maintenance manual, but I still can't find the control box.
Let me get the computer fired up here and I'll look at it with you. Okay, I'm opening up the virtual survey tour right now. Let's go to the MEC compartment, climb up in there, and you're going to looking at the boxes facing aft. Let's go over to the first officer's side, and let's looks like it's here on the top shelf. So this is shelf E2-1, and it looks like it's all the way over on the left. There's a series of indicator lights on it and a press to test button, it looks like. So why don't you run a self-diagnostic, take a look at your maintenance manual. If you have any other problems, give us a call here at Maintenance Control. Would you like me to take a screenshot and send it to your cell phone?
That would help so much. I'm amazed that you have such a vast knowledge of the 767.
The VAST tool makes my job so much easier. VAST, or Virtual Aircraft Survey Tool, allows anyone to view the aircraft from a PC, cell phone, or virtual reality headset. You can work at any place you can receive a Wi-Fi signal or cell phone service. It's a virtual tour of the aircraft. The VAST tool is available for survey information, fleet data, training for ground personnel, fire personnel, maintenance, and flight personnel. It can be linked to a video, a document, or any other information. It can be tailored for many different purposes. An airline can document the entire fleet and view configuration differences between line number aircraft. The VAST Aircraft Survey Tool is only available from Jet Maintenance Consulting Corporation. Come to our website at jmcnow.com or give us a call today. We love to talk airplanes.